Obtain a column filled with ion exchange resin. If the resin contains bubble, fill the column with distilled water. Stop the column and invert to permit the bubbles from being collected. Do not let the resin beads become dry at any time. Drain the excess water from the column until the water level of the column is even with the top of the resin beads. Next, place 25 milliliters of 1.5 molar H2SO4 on the column by adding the acid in 5 milliliter portions by using a graduated cylinder and allow it to pass through the resin beads. Then add 5 milliliters of deionized water. By adding 5 milliliter portions of deionized water until 40 milliliters of water has passed through the column. Make sure you collect the last 10 milliliters of water that elutes from the column. Add 1 drop of phenolphthalein indicator and 1 drop of 0.1 NaOH. If the solution is pink, the excess acid has been washed out of the column, and you may now add your 50 milliliters of saturated CaSO4 solution. If the solution remains colorless, elute the acid off the resin by adding an additional 20 milliliters of water to the column and testing again. When the column is properly washed, stop the flow with the water level slightly above the top of the resin beads.